231 live. TikTok. Hello guys, hello. I'm back again. I like being back. Kirata le botsa ditaba. Like kirata o tlo ka le lena. Le lena le rata o tlo ka le nna kere. I'm from Zimbabwe. No, I'm from South Africa. Le lena le rata o tlo ka le nna kere. Guys, dumelang, tle tepang screen. Hello. I said I'm not from Zimbabwe. I'm from South Africa. I'm from South Africa. South Africa. Guys, dumelang. Let's just a simple thing, a small thing. Will you do it for me? Do you promise that you will do it for me? Just a small thing. Just a small thing. Hi. Just a small thing, guys. Ajwa matlaka. No, khale ke salle, khale ke dutse ko ka moreng nna nje. Yeah, girl, too. Guys, can I ask you just a small thing? Please follow me on Instagram. Do you want me to cry? Hope I'm following me on Instagram. There. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. Do you want me to cry? Please follow me on Instagram. That's my only request for the day. Like, can I at least reach 5K followers, 10K on Instagram? Because like I need to beg brands deals, but because my Instagram is low, it's not gonna be easy for me. Like usually they need 5K followers or 10K followers on Instagram. I do have numbers on TikTok, yes, but I also need Instagram. So guys, please go and follow me on Instagram right now. Kenya ko bone ke jwa mo he ke re ke bone tlise ke re shit re kenyana. Ke bone tlise ke re shit re kenyana. Bra, imagine if I had this 800K on Instagram, I would be very far right now. I would be working with international brands. I need those followers on Instagram. Guys, I'm following. Just go and search Kedibone Sarele. Thank you, Linda. Oh, I would be a millionaire now. Like they need Instagram. I didn't know this thing this whole time until now. I realized, man, every time I try to apply for these brands on humans, they always say 5K followers, 10K followers. Sometimes they say 50K followers. Like Duncan, thank you so much. Sometimes they say 50K followers and I'm like, where am I gonna get these followers? But I know for sure you guys you usually like follow me, usually like support me. So I would be nice. Thank you so much. I would definitely guys like appreciate you guys. I'll appreciate you guys following me on Instagram. I really would appreciate that because like I need you guys on Insta. Like I need you for this brands deals and all that. Like imagine if I had like 800K. I'm trying to post content, do all that, but it's not easy. Thank you, D. Guys, please I'm following. Thank you, D. Thank you, Mesh. Oh my gosh, guys, I appreciate you. So guys, follow me Instagram. Ke tla le postela di vlog tse ding tse di botsana jwang le dinepe tse di botsana jwang Like, you'll see the other side of me. Thank you, Mpumi. Thank you, Sero. Guys, ke tlo le postela vlog tse dingwe le dinepe tse dingwe tse di botse mara wa di bona le wena ke already the Instagram is Instagramming. Okay, never mind this was the podcast, but also you can see it's Instagramming again. You can see the pictures where they come, they are nice, they look cute, you get me. So I just have to learn a few poses or ke tlo post nice content on Instagram. So guys, please follow me on Instagram. You must follow me on Instagram. Mama ila ashuwe ka mo rekile KFC. You must follow me, guys. You must follow me. Ning following, guys. Ke di obotsana ka voice ya kolobe. Voice ya kolobe. A wole na la ruwa tle banna. Come in. Guys, link to your following, please, guys. I'm gonna come back later and I'll tell you guys to please follow me on Instagram. Please, guys, please. I'll appreciate you guys following me. Thank you so much, guys. To those that followed me, thank you so much. I love you so much.